Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me, and yes, I am back with another video again today. I am throwing them out there, y'all. I'm getting these videos done for you. Yes. Anyway, I want to say welcome back to all my old subscribers, and welcome to all my new subscribers. If you are just stopping by and you are a subscriber, go over to my channel and watch one of my videos. If you like it, then you subscribe. Okay. Now that is said, today we're cooking chicken and rice. I just wanted something quick, gonna get it done. That's gonna last about 2 days. I know that's gonna last, and be out the kitchen. I done cooked twice today, and I'm through for the day. Okay, so what I have is my chicken in this pot already boiling. What I have for you is, and it's not done, but what I did was I put my chicken in here and I let it boil for about 5 minutes. Then I took all that water and all that little nastiness that come off of it, and I dumped it off in the sink, rinsed it off, put it back in the pot with some fresh water. Okay? Let me get y'all angle right. Okay. So, there we go. Alright, y'all. I had to get you right. Okay, so in my pot, I'm going to be adding some onions, and these are froze, but they break down just fine. So I'm gonna add some onions to that. Okay, we're gonna get this broth flavored up nicely so that this chicken and rice will have a good flavor. And as I add this, I'll tell you what I'm adding. Okay, let me find my celery salt real quick because I need that. Okay. And I'm going to try to measure it for y'all so you know how much I'm putting. So I got my onions, and I got some bell peppers. Same way. They're frozen and cut up. Hey. Fine.
Alright.
Yeah. So I got my bell peppers, and I'm putting them in. I ain't know if it was mine or not. Get them bell peppers off in there. Huh? No. Okay. And then this is a tablespoon measuring. So I'm going to put, this is about a tablespoon of black pepper, right? I'm going to start off with half a tablespoon. Just to look. Because I eyeball my seasonings, y'all. So I'm trying to measure for y'all how much I'm putting. So this is a half a tablespoon, and that is enough. Okay. Then I have my parsley. No particular order. Just get it on in the pot. I got a tablespoon of parsley. Now the parsley, it don't matter because that parsley is just for the decoration or whatever. Make it look all good and stuff. You know, like you done did something. Okay, so then I have some seasoning salt, and I have a tablespoon of that. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding poultry seasoning. I'm adding the poultry seasoning because it has sage and oregano, mustard powder, red pepper, black pepper in it, and thyme, and it gives your meat a good flavor. So I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of poultry seasoning. Okay, now that I got that, I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of onion powder. Get that on in there. Okay. Then I have some garlic pepper. Now I know I put black pepper already, but I got this garlic pepper, and it's the only way I got it, and I want some garlic up in here. So we're going to be adding a tablespoon of this. You got to get that broth seasoned up good. If that broth ain't seasoned, then you ain't doing nothing. Because this food going to be so bland, and you don't want no bland food. Okay, so I have a half a tablespoon of celery salt because I'm going to be adding some more salt to this. And I don't want this to be salty, so I'm going to just add a half a tablespoon of celery salt. Next, I have some chicken bouillon seasoning. Y'all, I live by this seasoning. I love it to death. It goes in about every dish that I make. Okay? So I have a tablespoon of that. And I'm just going to sprinkle that in. I ain't through yet. I got one more. And I like the flavor of these two mixed together. So I have the beef one as well. And I'm going to be using a half a tablespoon of this one. Because I need to be able to, I need to taste my broth first. And then I'll know if I want to add some more to it. Because I don't want it to be salty, y'all. So I just put in a half a tablespoon of that. Alright, so now we're done with this broth. Now we're done with it. So we're going to let this boil up a little minute. Get this chicken time enough to get a little done before we taste it. But y'all, this smells so freaking good. I'm telling you. Y'all, if you ain't never made no chicken and rice, I don't know what you're waiting on. Y'all need to come on over here, follow my recipe. Cause this will make you want to slap somebody. By the time you get through with this and taste this here, they gonna swear you done went to your grandma and them house and picked up a plate and just and throwed it in a pot like you done cooked it or something. I'm telling you. So I'm gonna let this boil up for about 10 minutes. Get this chicken time enough to get done. And then I'm gonna come back and taste this broth and see how much seasoning I need to add to it, whatever. And we're gonna go from there. But this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chicken thighs and 4 chicken legs. So 9 pieces of chicken. And I'm cooking this in a big pot, a wide pot. You know, so because I'm going to be adding my rice to it when it's through. I'm going to come back when it's time for me to add some rice, okay? And when I come back to add the rice, I'll let y'all know if that measurement was enough. And if I have to add, you know, any more seasonings, then I'm going to definitely let y'all know because I want y'all to have this on point, to the T, finger licking good, okay? So, I don't know how much water in this pot, y'all, just, I'm going to say, if I had to say, this is probably about 8 cups of water, okay? So yeah, if not 9. So I'm gonna just say that's about 8 or 9 cups of water. But it's gonna cook down, and you gotta think about that water is gonna, that rice is gonna go in this broth. So you wanna have that ready. And so, and also, get your rice prepared. Go, if whatever kind of rice you're gonna, if you put some yellow rice in here, oh, the bomb. But I ain't gonna put no yellow rice today because I ain't got none. So I'm gonna put me some white rice in here. So if you got you some white rice, go ahead on and wash up your white rice, and you know that way it'll be ready for you whenever you get ready to add it to your pot. All right, so I'll be back, y'all. Y'all just hold on 1 second. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and I just tasted this broth. It is delicious. It's A1000. Okay, so let me see. The chicken, oh yeah, this chicken is done. So guess what? I'm just breaking it down a little bit because I want chunks in it, but not whole pieces. Okay. And I'm gonna leave the bones in here. That doesn't bother me. That bone is going to give this real nice flavor. But y'all, look at that broth. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so I have my rice has been washed. And I'm just going to put this rice down in here. Okay, so that was 3 cups of rice that I've added. I'm gonna turn this up and let it get to boiling good. No need for any more seasonings. But y'all see how that is? It got chunks all in there. Nice chicken and rice. Okay, so I'll be back when this is halfway done, because then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. Okay, y'all, it's only been 22 minutes so far, and I came and this is what I got. It's not done. It's done, but it's not done yet. It's almost done, but I gotta add a few more things to it. And what I did was, I didn't want my rice to fluff up too much, because I like my rice to stand alone. I don't like that extra fluffy rice like some people do, where it swell up in a bit. I don't like my rice like that. I like my rice where it's just like this. You see? Just like that, where it stands alone. So this only cooked 22 minutes, but I'm gonna let all of this liquid cook out of it as well. So when I came back, only thing I took off was some grease that was in it and about a cup of liquid. So this is about what is this? Ooh, hot. 10.5 ounce can of chicken broth, and that's how much liquid I took off of this, because I don't want it too liquidy, and I don't want it to be fluffy. I want my rice to be like this. Okay, so I have that can of chicken broth. I dumped it in this can. Only reason why you see a little liquid in there was because I took some liquid out of here and rinsed my can out to get the rest of my chicken broth out. So I'm gonna take this chicken broth, cream of chicken, and I'm gonna put it in here. And as the water cook out, and this mix in, then it'll be done. Because it's already done now. The rice is done. I'm just letting the water cook out of it. And then I'm going to go in with some butter, margarine, whatever. And I'm going to put quite a bit, because that was a lot. So that was about, what, 3 tablespoons? Yeah, of margarine. Mix that on in. And I'm going to put the lid on and let this finish cooking down. And you're going to see what I'm talking about when it's finished. It's going to be nice and creamy and full of flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna put the lid on and let this finish cooking down, and I'm gonna come back so y'all can see what it looks like. But this probably is gonna go for about another 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, I'm done. I took the lid off and I just let that liquid burn off, and you see the rice isn't overcooked. It isn't too fluffy, but you still have the bones in there, but them bones is flavor. Okay, so this is what we got, y'all. And I'm gonna plate you up some so you can see what I'm working with. Let me dish up y'all some of this goodness. Look at that. Hold on. Y'all know I gotta make it look nice for you. You know I do. Add a little parsley on top of that. And bam. That's my chicken and rice, y'all. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. Okay, y'all. This is my chicken and rice. I hope y'all enjoyed my recipe. I hope you try it. And until next time, this is your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Peace.